Hello, this is Jones unboxing of Loot Crate. This month's theme is cyber, or basically anything computerized at this point. And here we go. Let's see. Put the button right at the top. Yeah, cyber. Oh, we got a Terminator thing this month. Oh, that's really nice. Since the new movie's coming out. We got the shirt. Another Voltron shirt for the month. Looks like a Terminator flash drive. Or, yeah, it's a flash drive. They call it brain chip. It's actually kind of funny. And a little bag. Store stuff in. And this month's magazine. And ooh, oh, looks like a nice Borderlands 2 mouse pad. I'll be using that. I like Borderlands 2. Patch. I'm not too familiar with the symbol. Damn it, give it. Paper thin stuff. Battlestar Galactica sheet stuff, probably different things. Sticker sheet. That's kind of cool. And the inside of the box. So there's your Loot Crate unboxing for the month.